Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you two settings in your logged in account that you probably have missed so far. If you don't want to miss any more research-based tutorial videos and updates, please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, just post it below in the comments. Enjoy the video. In today's video, I'll show you two settings options that you can set in your account setting. First, click on your account. This is on the top right of the screen. Then just click on Settings and a pop-up window will open. Here we now have two settings options, the default marketplace and the dark mode. The default marketplace is normally set to Germany, but as we know there are many users of our tool who mainly upload to the US marketplace. This option is thoroughly interesting. Just select the marketplace and click Update. From now on, this setting will load it every time you log in. The second feature is the dark mode. Many of you have asked for this, as it is a bit easier for the eyes. We know that the dark mode is not perfect yet, but we will keep improving it. Just check dark mode and click Update. Now we go back to search. Here you can see the dark mode and the default marketplace is Germany. We can set back this to US. Thank you for watching the video. See you at the next tutorial.